I'm pleased to recognize Tri Truong, a 13-year veteran here with LA Metro, one of our outstanding rail signal supervisors, for the incredible third shift. Now you have to be made with some metal to oversee the third shift. Tri, thank you for your dedication and commitment, your leadership to the crew. Thank you and Happy New Year.
Thank you.
I'm so proud of him, everything he does for our team. He is an asset to our team. This gentleman here, he always goes above and beyond. And like you said earlier, he really understands his craft and he has the ability to help his team out. Tri, I really appreciate you, and like I said, you're a great asset to our team.
Thank you, Ricardo.
Thank you for everything you do.
Thank you for your support. I'm honored to be recognized for the work that I did and for the work that my crew did. New advice for the new employee is just, try to learn your craft, learn as much as you can, and just, do your best.